Hi y'all, thanks so much for dropping in. If this is your first time here, then welcome. My name is Lori. This is my husband, the captain. And we are currently traveling through Thailand with some good friends of ours, Paige and Chuck from No Time to Be Sad. We are back in the city of Krabi tonight, and we are headed out to a night market, a really big night market, so I'm pretty excited. We've gone to some smaller night markets, but we haven't really had the chance to experience a big one with a lot of activity and lots of things and, you know, lots of food. I'm getting hungry, so I'm getting excited to head over to the night market pretty soon. We're staying in a hotel that is right on the river. It is really awesome to see so much going on in the world again. I don't know about y'all, but to see so much activity and people getting out and about in the world again just really makes me happy, and I'm excited. So let's go head off to this night market and see what that's all about. So this hotel is more Thai style than the more Americanized, westernized hotels that we've been staying in. And you can see that in the low ceiling height. Overhead hazard. All right, baby, show us how it's done.
This one's not bad.
Oh, you cleared that easily.
It's the next one.
Oh, okay, hold on, let me film that one too. So that was a yellow overhead hazard. Is this one yellow or is this red or? Yeah, don't go ahead of me, I can't see.
Can you see?
I can't see. Duck, baby. He's a tall guy. He's dealt with this once before in his life, so he's prepared. Is that cotton candy?
I think so.
Look how bright the cotton candy is here.
Cotton candy? Yeah.
Okay, so that is the prettiest cotton candy I've ever seen. Like, it's pretty. That's the gizzards, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass on the gizzards. Hey sexy, how you doing?
Good. Come here often.
What's your sign?
What's your waist size?
Bigger than it used to be.
No, I mean your butt size. That's what
Oh.
it should say. That's what it should
Bigger than it used to be.
say. Oh, yes. Good job.
No, not happening.
similar.
Okay.
It's completely glass.
Okay.
It's just like cheers.
So we got this at the market. It's some kind of little cake thing filled with blueberry, and it looks delicious, doesn't it? Really good. It's really good. Blueberry.
Let's spread out.
You have fun, baby?
Yeah, it's a good time.
So it turns out Paige is a sleeper pool player. She's playing so well. Nobody even knew she could play. She's out there just getting it done. Go, girl. So now we know Paige is the pool hustler. You're a hustler, baby. She's got it going on like the girl can kick some butt. Anyway, we are headed back to the hotel. End of another great day in Thailand. We're going to wrap it up.
Trip and die.
Try not to trip and die. Walking down the street in Thailand after, you know, at least one or two too many cocktails. Y'all have a good night. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.